All right, so if you're a 90s baby and beyond, you know what it is like when your mom says, wait till your father reach home, or when she says, go for the belt. But nowadays it's a little different. Most schools no longer condone the act of spanking. But what do you think? It's time for our social media talkback. So, Debbie Priestley says, agree in some way. 5 warnings before, don't do it aggressively. Never beat a toddler, is what she says. Well, here you go.
5 warning before.
Then we go, this one right there.
This is from Bleeding Heart.
What did she say?
Bleeding Heart says, completely agree. Beating is neither helpful nor necessary. Neither helpful or necessary. And I've been beaten.
No,
I've never beaten my 9-year-old, and she's the best child ever.
Well, there you go. What have you got there now?
All right, coming from Instagram now. This one says, from Aryan Queen 7, the good book says, spare the rod and spoil the child. So as long as it's done in an abusive way, as long as it's not done in an abusive way, a couple slaps on the behind won't kill him or her.
I am Brian Price says, beating works. Abuse in any form doesn't. Most adults of today got to find whopping growing up, and we never felt any less loved because we were fully aware of our wrongs. These kids of today, boy, I mean, I know. If you beat them, that means disrespect or disregard.
This one coming in from Corv da Costa says, if you follow these people in positions, only GSAT works. Beat or you shall be beaten.
Yeah, there you go. Craig Skyland. Might have worked for me, but it doesn't do squat for my boy. Taking away his tablet or shutting off the Wi-Fi is more painful than beating him.
Unbothered and Misunderstood says it was an effective form of punishment back in the day, but not now. Taking away the things they love works most.
And the Lickmisan says, everybody different. Some children you can beat till you're blue and it won't change a thing, while some you just have to look like you're going to do it and they shape up said speed. Well, there you go. Interesting.
Interesting. What I do know is that the Magokaya Father works for me. No, mommy, don't do it, mommy. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Kush, go on bed. I don't want to, mommy. Not now. It's not dark. I'm gonna call your father. Okay, mommy. Okay. There's something about the male voice.
What I wish my mom would say, I was going to call your father because my father never licked me yet. So, he always say, send me to my father. I'm not gonna be
What did he do? How did he do?
My father just, I think my father kind of realized that my mother was the disciplinarian, and so just kind of,
you know,
he wasn't weak or anything, don't get me wrong, but I think he just realized that she going to do it, so me can't do it.
No, my husband doesn't beat him, but it's something about that tone. The male tone has a different response. I dead stare him, and man just looks me in the eye, and I'm like trying to discipline. I've asked him 10 times, he's not listening. The minute the father comes in, Kush! What is it?
I think I forgot to talk to your parents because I think you could only take two.
No, I got some. And you know, we used to pull the hand like this, and the belt used to hit her because I got stories about that. For you. I have stories.
All right, folks, thanks a lot for being a part of our show this morning, as usual.
Don't lick the children. That's the underlying message we're trying to get out.
Going to take a break, and then we have News in 5. Sukum.